Okay guys, this is a quick video about keyboard controls, and I will go over what I just did and I'll come back to this. So here's my day planner, and if I come down here and I type Control A, oh, there, I've just highlighted everything. So I've selected everything, and then I click Control C. I've copied it, and just to show you on here, because I've messed around a lot on Blackboard today. Now here's a blank page, and I come down and I will Control V is paste. So Control A selects everything, Control C is copy, and I come down to the bottom and I'm holding down the Control button, and Control V is paste. I just pasted it again, so now I've got two copies of this. And if I scroll up, you'll see I've made two copies. Now, if I hold down Control and then Z, oh, it's gone, because Control Z is undo.